The Genmark Automation gb9 is a robot used primarily in the semiconductor industry. This particular robot is used to move a wafer carrier for a Veeco MOCVD process system. We received this robot from a customer who had a flooding issue in their facility, and this robot was underwater, which required a lot of cleaning and replacement of the motors. As shown in this video, the main controller was hooked up after a full rebuild and lubrication, and was running through its built-in test routine. This robot requires accurate alignment on the zoom-out axis, since there are 3 motors that have to be precisely aligned for it to be smoothly moved out. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.